Hello Aquarius, and welcome to your weekly reading for June the 22nd through the 30th. We're doing a little different spread today. This is the totem spread, and your totem for this week is the bear. The bear is all about healing, and it's very interesting because you also got the healing rune, the Laguz rune. Which is all about healing, but if you listen, Laguz sounds a lot like lagoon, and this is specifically healing through water. Okay, so find some water, a stream, a lake, spend some time there, showers or baths. That is where you're going to find the most peace and the most healing. Your stone this week is jasper, which is about stability and balance, tranquility, calming, removes worry, and is known as the supreme nurturer. So that's going to give you grounding there. We have the Moon Lodge, retreat. The power place, yes, exactly. Earth connection, empowerment. You need to spend time near water to bring about some healing. I think it's healing of your mind and your soul. And look what you just got. The healing bowl, the healing card. You need to do some internal healing, and that's not about anyone else. That's about yourself. And then your last card, look what you got. Whirling rainbow. If you bring yourself, if you do the healing and bring yourself to a more peaceful place, unity and wholeness will come. We have the elder. Move beyond ancestral patterns. Move beyond what you were taught. Have an open mind. Oh, look, guardian angel. You are not alone. You are being protected. And you have the winter card. Take care of your needs. And that's what all of this was talking about. Your healing, your needs. Then we have the wolf spirit. Turn your knowledge into wisdom. Just because you are knowledgeable does not mean you are wise. You really have to think things through. And vulture spirit reminds you that nothing is wasted. Nothing. Everything happens for a reason. Even the hard things, even the things you don't understand right now. Sister Moon says, be bold and make the first move. I think here it is talking about your healing. You have to take that step. And then your stone people card is the man in the maze. And there is Ca, big brother. If you ask for his help and his direction, he will help you get through the maze of life. So you need to spend time grounding yourself in nature, letting go of some of this stress and worry, and healing yourself inside so that you can be stronger, feel more balanced, more grounded. Okay, your quote for this week is, do we miss blessings because they are not packaged as we expected? You need to look at things a little closer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed your reading. Peace, love, and light. Until next time.